Hi, I'm Kemi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this cool cake topper using only 2 items. Let's go! The very first item you need for the book cake topper is Rice Krispie treats. I'm using regular Rice Krispie treats that you can find at any convenience or grocery store. I'm just putting 4 together and squishing them together. They're sticky on their own, so they adhere to each other well. Next, to create the pages for the book, I am rolling out white fondant. I prefer to use the Satin Ice Fondant brand. I use vegetable shortening to roll it out. Just using a regular rolling pin. This is a small size that I use for smaller fondant pieces. And just putting the cluster of Rice Krispies onto my rolled out fondant. Checking to see the size. I want something that lines up to the edge of the Rice Krispie treats. Using a knife, the sharper the better. Another thing that you can use is a pizza cutter. That actually works really well in cutting fondant. For a more realistic look, because remember, we want this to look like pages out of a book, I'm using this tool. I do not remember what it's called. It comes as a set, and it's a set of fondant decorating tools, and you can see that I'm just using it to make lines across the fondant. I'm not doing it in any particular order, and this is just to create that illusion or feel of it being pages out of an actual book. So next, I'm rolling out red fondant. Again, this is the Satin Ice brand, and I buy my highly pigmented fondant already pre-made, so I don't expend extra time, effort, and material in coloring, say like the red fondant that I use. I buy it pre-made and just shaping it out, and this square is going to be the book cover, the actual cover of our Rice Krispie treat and fondant book. So you see how I'm trying to line it up. I want a little excess, because think about how a book cover is. It goes across the pages. So that's what I'm trying to do here, again, using my ruler to make it as straight as possible. When working with Rice Krispie treats, because it's tacky and sticky on its own, I don't feel the need to use any binding agent or say glue, like edible glue. Something that works well is water if you don't have edible glue, but in this case I didn't even need to use anything. It sticks pretty nicely on its own, but water, just a little bit, a tad bit of water helps to ensure that everything adheres nicely together. So next, I am using an edible image. I printed this on frosting sheets, and I'm using an image from the Diary of a Wimpy Kid book. This was specially requested by my son. He really loves the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series. And so I printed this out using my own edible image printer, using frosting sheets. So this is 100% edible. I am using vegetable shortening to attach my frosting sheet onto the fondant. Water works fine. I recommend using vegetable shortening because it's easy to move around. So say you place it on, you don't like the placement, or something doesn't quite go as well as you want it to, it's easy to take it off once you use vegetable shortening. Once you use water, it makes it more difficult to take off the frosting sheet from the fondant. Look at that concentration. Oh my goodness. So I'm just trying to line it up as neatly as possible. Ta-da! And we're done. Easy peasy. The entire process from start to finish took under 30 minutes. And remember, this was simply an add-on to this cake right here for my son's birthday. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.